Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in 2023 and how the price of natural gas can move in 2024. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen since January, it was moving in a zone of 3. Okay, after that it made a high from 3.6 and a low of around $2.185. This is the zone where the price of natural gas has moved for 2023. If you go beyond that, in 2022 we have seen it was continuously upside. After that a fall we have seen. That means it was moving upside also, a downfall also. That means a good volatility we have seen. But previously, if you go from 2021 to 2022, there is a continuous upside, and from 3 months there is a continuous downfall. Why I'm telling you all this? Because you have to understand, after pandemic there is a continuous rise we have seen, but year wise it was moving upside also and downfall also. Okay, this is in the last 3 months. If you look at this is the last 3 months a fall comes. Otherwise it was continuously moving down. Now also what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen, and then a fall, and then a continuous fall we can see. So probability, in the December, in the last of the months, it always try to go down. You can see all these in the last of December. See, in this month also there is a continuous downfall. Why it is happening? Because of the season. Okay, now if you go and check a year wise plan, then you will see. Before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. There are two similarities that you have to understand. Okay, so you can see HNU and HND. Okay, see, there is a probability if started sustaining above $3.053, chances of going upside for HNU we can see. But if started moving below a level of 2.5, chances are very high that HNU will started falling and HND started will increasing. This is what we can see. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, a opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, and chances will be high that as soon as started moving below a level of $2.5, there are higher chances that we can see it will go further low. Okay, and then a U pattern is forming here. Okay, so if started going above a level of $3.053, we will see a further upside movement. Okay, these are the similarities what we can see. Now if you look at this particular trend, this is a month wise I have told you, so you have to keep it in mind that as soon as started falling below a level of 2.5, a fall we can see, or if started going above a level of $3, a further upside we can see. These two things happen. Now let's see on a year wise basis. See, year wise basis, what we have seen this year, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, it has made a low of around $2.0566. Okay, and it has tried to go upside and made a high of around 3.6 also we have seen. Now it is trading at a level of $2.7110. Okay, and chances can be high. What you can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will cross a level of around 3.4493. okay, keep that in mind. There is a higher chances it will cross a level of 3.4493, and it will touch a level of around $3.4998. okay, because these three similar already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross a level of around 3.4197, and it will touch a level of $3.5191, and from there a level of around $4.1192. this is what we can see. Okay, it will touch a level of $4.1192, and as soon as started touching above a level of $4.1192, it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around $4.9. okay, and once started sustaining above $4.9, then a probability of going towards 6.5 we can see, and from there it will touch a level of around 9.8. okay, see, if you look at this year wise chart also, see, there is not a good volatility we have seen year wise, but in this particular zone we have seen there is a good volatility. Okay, but for this particular year, what we can see there, see, if started sustaining above a level of $3.5191, chances are high it will touch a level of around 4.14192, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 4.9 we can see. Okay, there is a higher chances that we can see it will move further upside as soon as started above a level of $3.4. This is what we can see. Okay, but if it didn't sustain, okay, probability is higher that if started didn't sustaining, that means if started moving below this particular level, we can see it will move towards a level of $2.4. Okay, and once started moving below 2.4, further fall we can see towards a level of around $2.056. $2.056 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will move further fall and it will touch a level of $1.523. This is what we can see if the price started falling below a level of $2.4. Okay, once the price started falling below $2.4, we will see a level of around $2.056, and from there a probability of touching a level of $1.5 will be there. Okay, and once started moving below this level, a further fall we can see, and chances are very high that we can see it will go further down. Okay, if you look at a 6-month chart also, you will see clearly that there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, so if started falling below a level of $2.125, move further down towards 1.5 also, and then from there a further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, I have given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need